Okay, so loading time for this game. There. Okay, I got another tank. Hopefully I can beat one guy a little bit easier. This game's ending, so there's no point playing it. But 2 more months, I might be able to upload this update HQ, so it looks like that. Need that much, or that much in money. You could buy what you need. It's 130 bucks, so yeah, forget that. Anytime you get a good amount saved, they will hit you, but they're not showing people here now, so how many times you get hit? It used to be like icons in the corner. You get hit 4 times, 2 times, whatever. So I might be able to save up the next 2 months. And if I get anything extra in banknotes with the strike groups, I might be able to upgrade something a little bit quicker. How my tanks are looking. The only people I can hit are the people on the map. Once I get them, that's it. Nobody else I can go through, so try to change up the high people. I'll look, see how they are. Usually there's nobody at this stage. My base is here. It's all the people I could hit till the end of the month. So back to base. Well, it's been a fun game, but I don't think it's available in ROMs or anything. Xbox, whatever, but it will freeze on you once you start playing it, so it's a PC game. Thanks for watching, and you get sometimes extra ships, extra whatever guys here, if the people will give it to you. If not, then you're screwed. They'll kick you out anyway. But the game is kicking everybody out, so it's going away December, but hopefully I could upgrade this base. I just managed to upgrade all my rockets to 11. It's going to be a lot harder on their bombs and rockets, so I'll probably take 1 rocket and 2 bombs to get rid of one of these, and they won't be able to hit too many of these, so that's good for me. But too many people are going to be playing this anymore, so I might not get hit too often. Might be able to upgrade my base. How it looks so far. Thanks for watching. Last bit of gameplay for Tropic Storm. Online gaming for PC is by pay too, so you can put in money if you want to, but it's going away, so a lot of games are.